Hello, children. It's nice to be back again with you after a long time. I hope all of you are staying safe. Well, today I'll be doing Unit 13. Let us discover our body. The lesson we have to do today is the excretory system. බහිශ්‍රාවී පද්ධතිය ගැන තමයි අද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ. Now, we know that there are many systems in our body. Now, these systems are formed of organs. දැන් අපේ ශරීරයේ පද්ධති කීපයක් තියෙනවා දැන්. දැන් අද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ excretory system එක ගැන. Now, the different organs together form systems. These systems together perform different functions in the body and help to maintain life. Now just imagine, children, what will happen if all the liquid that you drink remains in your body? Do you know which system helps to get rid of all the harmful byproducts formed due to various activities in the body? Now these are very harmful. Therefore, if they remain in the body, it's bad. So we have to get rid of this waste material. So the system that helps us to get rid of all these harmful toxins and water is called the excretory system. Now, the main function of the excretory system is the removal of waste produced in the body. Now, the main excretory organ in your body are your kidneys. Kidneys කියන්නේ වකුගඩු. Right, now let's see a picture of the kidneys. Now look at the picture. Now can you see the kidneys? How many kidneys do we have? We have 2 kidneys. And look at the shape of the kidneys. It's like the shape of a bean seed. Right? And where do you find your kidneys? They are placed towards the back of your abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. ටිකක් ඉනෙන් පල්ලෙහා මේ කොඳු ඇට පේලිය දෙපැත්තේ වගේ තමයි පිටලා තියෙන්නේ. Right. Now look at the main parts of the excretory system. Now look at the excretory system. Now there is a picture of the excretory system. Can you see the kidneys? Now the 2 kidneys are not on the same level. One is just slightly below the other. දැන් වකුගඩු දෙක එක සමානව නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ, එකක් චුට්ටක් පල්ලෙහින් තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? එතකොට දැන් the main parts of the excretory system are the 2 kidneys. Then can you see from the kidney there are 2 long thin tubes. Now these 2 long tubes are called ureters. And then the 2 ureters join and empty the contents into the urinary bladder. Can you see the urinary bladder? And then it opens out through the urethra. So the main parts of the excretory system is the kidneys, the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Now the kidney is made up of 1,000,000 nephrons. There are many nephrons in each kidney and they help to filter the urine. Actually, these nephrons are like small filters and they help to filter the urine. Now, the urine formed is filtered out through the nephrons. And the ureters are 2 thin tubes that transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Now look at the bladder. Now the urinary bladder is a balloon-like organ and it has elastic walls. So the function of the urinary bladder is to store the urine produced in the kidneys and it's brought down by the ureters. The urinary bladder එකේ වෙන්නේ අර kidneys වල urine හැදෙනවා ඒක අර tubes දෙකකින් පල්ලෙහාට ඇවිල්ලා ඔක්කොම එකතු වෙන්නේ urinary bladder එකේ. තේරුණාද? Now when the bladder becomes full, you get an urge to go to the toilet. And then you run to the toilet and you send out the urine from your urethra. So the urethra helps to eject urine that is in the bladder. Now, sometimes now when you get the urge to go to the toilet, sometimes you try to control. Now you are able to control because there is a muscle there. And that muscle is called as sphincter muscles. They help you to control and hold the urine until you go to a washroom. Now, apart from the kidneys, there are three other organs that help in excretion. For example, the liver, lungs, and the skin. Now, lungs help to get rid of the carbon dioxide produced. පෙනහළු වලින් වෙන්නේ ළමයි carbon dioxide ඉවත් කරනවා. Liver excretes bilirubin and this is excreted in your feces. That is why your feces is either dark yellow or brown in color. And the skin excretes sweat, or we also call it perspiration. Right, now again we'll go back to what we have studied. Now we learned what is the main excretory system in a human being. It's the kidneys, right? The kidneys, how many kidneys are there? There are 2 kidneys. What is the shape of the kidneys? It's bean shaped. And from the kidneys, there are 2 thin long tubes which we call the ureters. Now, what is the function of the ureters? The ureters, the urine that is formed in the kidneys is brought down to the bladder through the ureters. And the urinary bladder stores the urine, and then the urethra helps to eject urine that is stored in the bladder when it is full. And what is the name of the muscles that help you to control? We call them the sphincter muscles. Now, let's get on to the next part of our lesson. Well, children, now let's learn how to maintain a healthy excretory system. Now, if you want to maintain a healthy excretory system, there are certain things that you have to remember. දැන් ඔගොල්ලෝ excretory system එක නිරෝගීව පවත්වා ගන්න ඕනේ නම් ඔගොල්ලෝ කළ යුතු දේවල් තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු මොනවද කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. පළවෙනියට drink a sufficient amount of clean water. හොඳ පිරිසිදු වතුර පානය කරන්න ඕනේ. At least 1.5 to 2 liters per day. ලීටර් දෙකක් හරි දවසකට වතුර බොන්න ඕනේ. Now, if you drink less water, your urine will be dark yellow in color. Now, can you see? If you don't drink water, if you don't drink sufficient water, your urine will be dark yellow in color. Can you see the picture? Okay, now, if you drink a lot of water, your urine will be light yellow in color. Can you see this picture? Number 2, now how can you maintain a healthy excretory system? One is you must drink sufficient amount of water. Second point, pass urine when the need arises. Now, when you want to go to the toilet, you have to empty your bladder as soon as possible. Now, if urine is stored for a long time, it can cause urinary infections. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ toilet එකට යන්න ඕනේ වෙනකොට තද කරගෙන ඉන්න නැතුව හැකි ඉක්මනින් යන්න ඕනේ. අපි ගියේ නැත්නම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අපිට මූත්‍රා ආසාදන ඇති වෙන්න ඉඩකඩ වැඩි. Third point, you have to keep your reproductive organs clean. You must keep your private parts clean to avoid diseases. ඔගොල්ලෝගේ රහස් ප්‍රදේශ පිරිසිදුවට තබා ගන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට වෙන රෝග හැදෙන්න පුළුවන්. You must wear cotton underwear. Cotton underwear අඳින්න ඕනේ. nylon ඒවා අපේ රටට ගැලපෙන්නේ නැහැ. So you must wear cotton underwear, and nylon underwear is not suitable for a warm country like Sri Lanka. And you have to change your underwear daily and keep them clean. යට ඇඳුම් පිරිසිදුව තියාගන්න ඕනේ. මේ හොඳට හොද ගන්න ඕනේ. එකම දවස් ගානක් අඳින්න හොඳ නැහැ. අපිට වෙන වෙන ලෙඩ හැදෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඊළඟට minimize the intake of salt කියන්නේ ලුණු පාවිච්චිය අවම කරන්න ඕනේ. වැඩි ලුණු ගන්න හොඳ නැහැ. ඊළඟට ළමයි avoid smoking and the use of alcohol. දුම්පානය බොහොම නරකයි. ඒ වගේම මත්ද්‍රව්‍ය ඒවා පාවිච්චි කරොත් අපිට වෙන්නේ මේ cancer හැදෙන්න පුළුවන්. Excretory system එකේ cancer හැදෙන්න පුළුවන්. So you have to avoid smoking and the use of alcohol. Right. Now I'll just talk about the summary of the lesson today. Now, the summary, first we learned the functions of the excretory system. So what is the main excretory organ in your body? The kidneys. How many kidneys do you find? You have 2 kidneys, right? And then we learned the main parts of the excretory system. So what are the main parts of the excretory system? The kidneys, the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Then we learned how to maintain a healthy excretory system. So how can we maintain a healthy excretory system? We have to drink a sufficient amount of water. Then we have to pass urine when the need arises. Then we have to keep our reproductive organs clean. Then we have to minimize intake of salt. We should not use medicines without medical advice. ඖෂධ පාවිච්චි කරන්න හොඳ නැහැ. ඩොක්ටර් කෙනෙක්ගෙන් prescription එකක් නැතුව අපි බෙහෙත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න හොඳ නැහැ. Then you have to also avoid using alcohol, and smoking is also bad because this can cause cancer. Right. Now I'm going to give you a small activity. Now, in this activity, now the questions that I'm going to give you are: draw and label the main excretory system of man. Next question, what is excretion? Third question, write the functions of the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and the urethra. Fourth one, write 2 other excretory organs. Last question, write 5 good habits that you should develop to maintain a healthy excretory system. And after you complete this activity, I want you all to read through your textbook, read the lesson on the excretory system, and try to understand. And there's an activity at the end of the lesson. Please do that activity too. So with this, I wind up today's lesson.